Hey loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amanda, back at it again with another video, and today I'm coming at you guys with a relaxer update. So I relaxed my hair about a week or a week and a half ago, and I thought let me just do a relaxer update of 2022. The last time I relaxed my hair was last year in August, so I was about 5-ish months post relaxer, somewhere there. I did not relax my hair because I was pregnant, but I did not relax my hair because I was lazy, if that makes sense. So I hadn't relaxed my hair in about 5 months, but this is how it turned out. I just wanted to come show you guys my hair because I feel like y'all ain't see my hair in a while. Okay. So my process this relaxer was still the same. I parted my hair into sections, and using the twist method, I just separated the twists, put the relaxer, and yeah, moved like that. So I had a lot of new growth this time around. I don't know if it's the pregnancy hormones that decided to kick in or what it was, but I had a lot of new growth this time around, and it was so difficult to do the back because of how puffy and thick the front was. So the back of my hair is a little bit under process, but that's nothing of an issue that cannot be fixed in the next relaxer. What else happened during my relaxer? Oh, it took me a very long time to actually start relaxing my hair. So I had to part my hair into the sections and cover my already relaxed hair in grease and oil or something, and that took me forever. One, the new growth was so thick and fierce that I actually had to be gentle while separating my hair so as not to irritate my scalp in any way. And two, being a new mom kind of takes a lot of your attention. So parting my hair and moisturizing my scalp to prep it for relaxer took me about a day and a half, and then I relaxed my hair in I think I took 30 minutes. Yeah, I think the relaxer was in my hair 30 minutes from start to finish, and then I washed it out. When washing out my relaxer, I did the 10-10-10 method. So when you put the shampoo on your hair, leave it in for 10 minutes, wash it out, put the relaxer, leave it on for 10 minutes, just like that. I used the usual Dark and Lovely. Guys, listen, I'll always use the Dark and Lovely relaxer. I really don't know what would cause me to change relaxers, but I always use the Dark and Lovely relaxer, and this is how my hair came out. It's so soft and it's so fluffy, and I straightened it just so you guys could see, you know, how it's looking, where it's going. Yeah. I straightened it and trimmed it. So let me show you guys my hair, and that's the end of this video. Quick, simple, to the point. If there's anything you guys would like to know about my relaxing process or anything about my relaxed hair, what I plan to do this year, please do leave it down below and I will make sure to let you guys know. Okay, so let me turn to the side. This is what the hair looks like on the side, just like that. Side profile, girl. Okay, this is my side profile. Okay, I can do that, but this is the back profile. So my hair looks like at the back. It's starting to look a little rich, huh? So this back profile looks like of my hair. And here we are at the front. But yeah, guys, that is my video. Oh, by the way, this year I am planning on relaxing my hair every 12-ish weeks. Fingers crossed, but that's the plan. I really don't want to have so much new growth that I can't manage because I realized my hair starts to break off. So fingers crossed, I'll definitely keep you guys updated. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye, loves.